Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a nice day. If you are interested in seeing how I quickly made this hairstyle, please keep watching. So I started by parting my hair into two sections, the front and the back. The front one was smaller and closer to my face so that I can see what I am doing, and that flatters my face better actually because I do not have edges. So here I'm just putting away the section part, and because I am going to be crocheting the back part of the hair, I just braided it roughly. It is going to be covered, so do not stress yourself about this place. Just braid it so you have something strong to crochet the hair onto. So I think I had a total of 5.5 braids. So my gorgeous beautiful sister, have you subscribed yet? Come on, please subscribe and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Please let me tickle you. Please subscribe so that I'll keep seeing you around. Some days I'll teach you something, some days I'll annoy you, some days I'll try something you intend to try, and you know, it will make your life easier. If I try it first, you will know the mistakes you're supposed to make and you won't make them. You'll see, you'll part your hair nicely, you won't do this mistake I'm doing. Subscribe now, please subscribe so that we can see more of each other. Okay, keep watching. Thank you. So this is why I said it's 5.5. I just added those two braids together because obviously my pattern was all over the place, but it didn't matter. It's okay, it's going to be covered. See, I do not know if you know, but let me just in case you do not know, I have other goodies in this channel. Look around before you leave. Look around before you leave. Just look around before you leave. Am I annoying you? Sorry, I'm going. If you had watched my old nonsense gorgeous hairstyle video, that was the first video I filmed myself. So I am referring to the first video I made where I videoed myself making my hair. That video was so difficult to do because I was trying to use the camera as a mirror. If you're trying to make a video of yourself making your hair, just have your mirror set up here, you can see what you're doing. Have your camera set up here, your viewers can see what is going on, and forget about the camera, except you just want to look at them and wink, you know, just wink. But I figured it out and it was so much easier. I am getting better making my hair and filming it, so yay! After the first two braids, my arms were killing me, so I was just resting. After those braids, I just put everything up in a ponytail, in a mini bun, so that I can crochet the hair to it. And mind you, I wasn't too focused trying to lay down the front so much because I sincerely didn't want the overly flat gelled hair look. So I just crochet the tails of the braids onto the braid. After that, I can proceed in attaching the hair extensions. So I will be using 2 packs of Darling Ella hair extensions. I just used small pieces of it. This is a close-up of what I'm doing. This felt so much like knitting with knitting pins. But seriously, if the hair you are using is not too slippery and silky, do not do this technique I am doing. This thing was a pain to lose. Like, I almost cried taking this hair down. If you do not have someone to help you take this hair down when you are done, do not use this technique I am using. Just do the regular pull past the two tails through your loop at once, and that is it. Because this thing was so difficult to lose. It was as if I was tying knots. I was tying like rope knots on my hair. It was difficult to lose. Even after cutting the extensions to make it short, just pulling out the remnants, you know how crochet is after cutting it. That is supposed to be easy. It almost feel as if you're combing, like you're using your finger combing your hair and it falls off. That wasn't the case with this hair. It was tied and it was just difficult to lose. Except your hair is extremely silky and slippery, don't use this style. Don't use this way of crochet, the one I showed up close. So I went ahead to do this for the rest of my hair, the rest of the back parts. I got tired and I started putting big chunks. Don't do that. In short, just start from bigger chunks at the back, because this hair was scanty. I didn't use the full 2 packs. I used about 1 1/3, and the hair was feeling scanty from the back. Like, although you know, with crochet or whenever you're doing any DIY, it is always better to start small and then add if you need to. That's my concept. But this hair, don't be scared, just use enough from the back. You will still have remnants and you will not have to go back and put more, because this hair is scanty. Even when I was done, I didn't want it to be too full, but even when I was done, the hair was scanty. But so I just tied that down so that the hair extension, apart from the fact that it's supposed to make the hair lay flat and the gel work better, I did that to like protect the gel part from the hair extension moving all over it, you know, you get what I mean? So I went ahead to crochet the hair extension to the bone in that front part, and it just kept feeling as if I'll never get enough. That bone is so tiny and I had a lot to crochet. So at some point I had to like attach some of the hair to my hair. I didn't like that because it was slightly painful. When I want 0 pain, this was like 2 pain instead of 0. So you get my gist. I wanted 0 pain. It's not that painful, but so at this point I wanted like a big braid at the base of the bone of the front part, the pony up on my hair. Please don't put the hair in your mouth. That's very unhygienic. In case it was done, whatever. So now I just used needle and thread to attach the end of that braid and used it as a wrap down there, as a wrap at the base of the ponytail. But I later took it off the next day, as you will see, because I didn't take it off, I just unraveled it. The middle part was looking too scanty, so I just unraveled that and it made it look fuller. So this was like 2-3 days later. I took that out and I used this hair cord to beautify there. So this is the style after a couple of days, because I just didn't get around to filming this. Here we are, gel all gone, but you know, we look okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.